What?
Go down the tractor.
What's it like up there, Ava?
Good.
That's how things used to be made. This was like just solid. Look how solid that is. Just a solid, massive bit of metal. Solid things. Oh, you're actually steering it there. The wheels aren't turning because it's been disconnected, but at least the rods work. You see how the rods, it's really primitive, isn't it? But it works.
They shouldn't be allowed to, well, it's got some original tyres, but then some of them aren't. That one isn't original, the other one is.
Well, that one's boarded through. That's why they've left this one on, isn't it? It's not worth anything. It's boarded.
No,
You
but
use so
look
much.
at the other one, that's the original one.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's proper old school, that, isn't it?
All the others aren't. It's also a shame that they kind of disconnect the rods.
Yeah, you can't steer it, but then
Because it'll be a lot harder to restore it, to get it back working.
Well, they're not gonna work.
I think it just, yeah, I think it just. It's cool though. I've been on these tractors before, right? And they don't have working things. It's cool. They've got like the actual. That feels like it's got some resistance, like it's real.
Like this.
Yeah, like this. This moves. Careful there. This got resistance too. Steer it then. That steers really smooth though, doesn't it? I'm sure, yeah, if you had the wheels connected it would be hard. But...
Whoa, what are you doing? No, don't come off.